Welcome back to our channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth review of the 2025 Maruti Zen Classic. This iconic hatchback has been reimagined for the modern era, blending nostalgic design with contemporary features. Let's dive into what makes this car a standout choice for both longtime fans and new drivers. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Zen Classic pays homage to its 90s predecessor with the beloved jelly bean shape. The smooth, rounded lines are complemented by modern touches like LED headlights and a sleek front grille. The compact dimensions make it perfect for urban driving, allowing for easy navigation through tight city streets. The 15-inch alloy wheels and a choice of vibrant colors add to its youthful and dynamic appeal. Moving inside, the interior is a harmonious blend of retro charm and modern convenience. The dashboard features a minimalist design, reminiscent of the original Zen, but now incorporates a digital infotainment system with touchscreen controls. The seats are upholstered in high-quality fabric, offering both comfort and support for daily commutes or longer journeys. Despite its compact size, the Zen Classic provides ample headroom and legroom for passengers, thanks to thoughtful interior packaging. Under the hood, the 2025 Zen Classic is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.2-liter petrol engine, delivering a peppy performance suitable for city driving. The engine is mated to a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission, providing drivers with a connected and engaging driving experience. The suspension setup has been tuned for comfort, ensuring a smooth ride over varying road conditions. Additionally, the electric power steering offers precise control, making maneuvering effortless. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Maruti Zen Classic positions itself as an affordable yet stylish option in the hatchback segment. While exact figures may vary depending on the market and optional features, it aims to provide excellent value for money, appealing to both young professionals and families seeking a reliable and fashionable vehicle. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Zen Classic successfully marries the nostalgic elements of its predecessor with modern-day requirements. Its distinctive design, comfortable interior, efficient performance, and competitive pricing make it a compelling choice for those looking to stand out on the road while enjoying contemporary amenities. If you're in the market for a hatchback that offers character and practicality, the Zen Classic is certainly worth considering. Thank you for joining us for this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Drive safe, and see you next time.